Hi, this is Connie. I am the author and creator of the Color Me Musical Piano Book Method. We are in Book 2. If you don't have it yet, the link is in the description below. It's available on Amazon. We had our first lesson. Now we're on our second lesson in Book 2. And we are going to start right here on page 6 where it says, "Remember Dave?" Okay, in our last lesson, we learned Cade in the left hand and Cade in the right hand, and we switched back and forth. Now let's see if we remember Dave. Cade in the right hand and Dave. And on this song, Remember Dave, we're going to go Cade and Dave and switch to the left hand Cade. Ooh, so we've got a switch in there too. Let's see if you remember how to do that from the last lesson. Now when we turn the page on page 7, we are ready to learn a new character and a new note. Remember in book 1 we learned Cade, Dave, and Elix, C, D, and E. Now in book 2 we started out learning Cade. Now we're going to learn who lives on this finger. This is Belle the butterfly. She starts with a B. She's yellow. If you look at her on page 7, she has beautiful yellow wings. Okay, we're going to play with Belle the butterfly. Now on page 8, it shows the finger and it shows where she lives on the piano. You'll see that there's 3 black keys and then Belle lives right here at the top of those 3 black keys. And when we play Belle, we're going to start practicing something new. Remember, last week our new concept was to keep both hands up on the piano the whole time that we play. For this week, we're going to add in something else. When you sit at the piano, you need to sit straight square. So you can't be turning this way and then play, or lean back this way and play. Your shoulders and your tummy all has to be facing the piano. Okay, so no twisting. And that's one reason we keep both hands up on the piano. Because if you put one down and you lean on it, now you're kind of off to the side. We need to sit up straight and be square at the piano. So can you sit that way while you practice these songs this week? Okay, our first song is going to be Belle the Butterfly on page 9. And that's where we just practiced playing Belle. On page 10, it looks like this. We go to A Flying Friend. And we play Cade and Belle, both on the left hand. We don't use Cade on the right hand and Belle on the left hand. It's all on the left hand. Then turn the page to page 11. And it's Belle's birthday party this time. And we play Cade and Belle on the left hand. And for our last song this week, they go swimming. Whoops, look. Belle had to hang her wings up so they didn't get wet in the pool. So now you can play swimming. Remember to sit straight at the piano. When you play Cade, don't play with your thumb down like this. Play with him on the side. Keep your hand round. Both hands on the piano. Whew, lots to think about. I'll see you next time.